As you can see, YouTube Shorts are not showing on the homepage or in the Shorts feed. Now,
Do you want to slow down or speed up a YouTube video? In this video, I will show you how to change the playback speed on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app and play any video from here. Now tap the video screen and then tap on the settings icon in the video player. Then tap on playback speed. Here you can choose the slower or faster playback speed. The normal speed is 1.0x. If you want to play the video faster, tap the plus icon repeatedly to increase the playback speed. And if you want to play it slower, tap the minus icon repeatedly to decrease the playback speed. Select your preferred speed and the video will immediately play at that speed. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.